Hello everyone, in this video we will see some easy and quick craft hacks. So first we are making this tree using clay. We are using different types of clay here. Let's move ahead. Here we've made a beautiful tree by using green colored clay and you can see it's ready. Next we are taking a designer paper and we are folding it from the sides and the front to make it look like a beautiful heart with a bow on the outside in the front of it, and you can see it looks so beautiful. You can use it for gifting purposes. Let's move ahead. Here we've taken this hand cut out with paper and making a flower out of it by rolling it, and now we are coloring it and it's ready. Let's move ahead. Here we are making the Psyduck. Psyduck is a type of Pokemon. You must have seen him. And then we are just pasting the tape on it. And in the middle we are placing a balloon and it's ready. Let's move ahead. Here we are making the snail with the help of some paper cutouts. You can see it looks so cute. Let's move ahead. Here we've taken a balloon, cutting it from the sides like this, placing another balloon into it and then filling it up with some water and stars, and they are ready. Let's move ahead. Here we are taking red colored clay and then just converting it into this type of shape and making a rose out of it, then attaching the stem, wrapping it up in a transparent paper and making a beautiful bouquet out of it. Let's move ahead. Here we've taken this orange rectangular sheet, folding it out from both the sides and then making more of them, join them together, and then just we are rolling them into a beautiful big flower, and you can see it is ready. Next we are taking this wire, folding it out into this shape, attaching it to a big wire, cutting it out, and your bracelet is ready. Let's move ahead. Here we've taken a pink paper, folding it out, and then here we are making a beautiful I love you message. After that, write your I love you and you can see it is ready. You can use it for gifting purposes to anyone. Let's move ahead. Here we are making a butterfly by using only hard paper cutouts, using different colored cutouts, and it's ready. Let's move ahead. Here we have taken a semicircle in this shape and just drawing some checked lines on it. After that, taking more small semicircles of different colors and making this shape, placing it in the middle we've made, and then you can see it's ready. Let's move ahead. Here we've taken a balloon, filling it up with any flower, and then we are just attaching a wire to it. You can see we are giving it a smile and a face, and you can see it's ready. Thanks for watching.